So today we're going to be breaking down the Yes Welder. So this is actually a welder that I got on Amazon. I'm sure there's other places that you could find it, but we got it unpackaged. We got it hooked up. I'm running hard wire for gas metal arc welding with 75-25 gas, 75% argon, 25% carbon dioxide, and yeah, super excited about it. I'm ready to try it, but this is going to be a review on the Yes welding machine from Amazon. Delivered to my door, it was $541, so you can't really go wrong. It's a multi-process welder. You can do flux core, I believe you can do stick welding and gas metal arc welding as well. So super excited about it. We're going to break it down and start welding right now. So I got some 1.5" 14 gauge square tubing that I'm going to be welding this. I'm going to get it tacked up and we're going to run some beads with it. I have the machine set to what the welder specified I needed for this material, which is found in the owner's manual. So let's see how it welds. Got my pieces tacked together. Seem to be pretty darn smooth. So let's run some beads. Pretty happy with it. That seemed to weld really good. Get my welding pliers. Let's see here. It's the finished product on my first bead. Ran really smooth. Probably a little warm. Overall, good bead. Good penetration. So is it a yes or a no for the Yes welder? I would have to say that it is a yes. The Yes welder MIG 250 Pro actually welded really good. I did flux core with it the other day, and then today I welded hard wire gas metal arc welding with 75-25 mixture for my gas. 0.030 wire, and it ran really good. Here in a second I'll show you one of the projects I built as well as some of the welds that I laid down with it. And overall I was impressed. With the price that you pay for a machine like this, $541 delivered to my door, like, you can't really go wrong with it, especially if you're on a budget just trying to do some projects or make some money on the side. This welder's perfect. One downfall that I could see with the machine is it is only a 220. It's designed to run solely on 220. Some homes don't necessarily have that. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. But that's one downfall I could see with this machine. But overall, it's a nice machine. It's lightweight, which I was also impressed. It was lightweight, but it still ran really strong and really hot. But yeah, overall, I really did like this machine. I welded with it for a good 2 days and did some projects with it as well. So like I said, you can't really go wrong with the Yes welder. I give it a yes for sure. And yeah, being a multi-process welder as well, you can do stick, gas metal arc welding, and flux core arc welding as well. So great machine for the price, I would say.